Dear students, today's Google Classroom we started a new chapter, that is a unit first, thermodynamics. The chapter from the paper number 8, and the name of the paper is physical chemistry. It is for the semester 4th year student, SY student. So this chapter is very important for the semester for the students. It covers the maximum portion of the syllabus of this semester. So today the topics we have to discuss from this chapter are, so obviously so we first introduce, or we discuss the introduction about thermodynamics, then definitions, various definitions which are useful for understanding of the thermodynamics, and there are the various terms which are used in thermodynamics for explaining all the principles, all the concepts. So among these, the system it is one of the terms. So today's Google Classroom, we see about what is the thermodynamics, then the definition of thermodynamic terms. About there are the more terms, but today we see only the system. What is the system? Introduction. Thermodynamics is a branch of physics that deals with heat and temperature and their relation to the energy, work, radiation, and properties of the matter. So as given in this introduction, thermodynamics, it is a branch of physics, or it is divided, it is a main branch of physics, but it is studied or the under the in chemistry also. So what types of study we have done in thermodynamics? So thermodynamics deals with heat and temperature and their relation to the energy. So how the heat and the temperatures are related, there is a relation between the heat and temperature to the energy, again the work, again the radiation, and the properties of the matter. So these are the terms, that is the energy, work, radiation, and the properties of the matters. How these they are related with heat and the temperature. This is thermo word. It means the heat or the temperature. It is a relation. We have to study the how there is a various types of the relation between this thermo means heat and temperature to the energy, work, radiation, and the properties of the matters. So in the next slide, by using this picture, we have I have given you the idea about this. What is the thermodynamics? Again, what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is that branch of the science that deals with the quantitative relation between heat and other forms of energy. So in this definition, it is another definition for the thermodynamic. In this definition, It is directly a relation between the heat that is thermo to the other forms of energy. So these other forms of energy are the matter, the radiations. So these all forms of energy and the heat relation between the other forms of energy. So the thermodynamics, there are the various laws. By using these various laws, thermodynamics is explained. So first law, second law, third law, and the fourth law. So in upcoming Google Classroom, we are studying these laws. So first law, energy is conserved, its form can be converted. So according to the first law, energy is conserved and its forms can be converted. So it is a converted from the one form to the another form. So it is not to be disturbed. According to the second law, energies can flow equilibrate. And according to the third law, driving force for the equilibrium uniquely defined. Driving force it is uniquely defined. According to the fourth law, thermal equilibrium is tentative. So thermodynamics, again, it is a branch of physics that deals with the laws governing the energy and the work of system, which may be described as exchange of the heat energy to and form the other forms of energy within the given system. Careful study of this concept is essential for the good understanding of topics in thermodynamics. Specifically, it defines microscopic variables such as internal energy, entropy, and the pressures. So these are the again definition. What is the thermodynamics? So according to this definition, it is deals with laws of governing the energy and the work of system, the exchange of heat energy, and it can be formed within the given systems. So first term, that is a system. So what is meant by the system? The thermodynamic system is defined as definite quantity of matter or a region in a space upon which attention is focused in the analysis of a problem. We may want to study the quantity of matter contained within closed rigid wall chambers, or we may want to consider something such as a gas pipeline through which the matter flows. So it is a definition of the system. Again, next point about the system is the composition of the matter inside the system may be fixed or may change through the chemical and nuclear reactions. A system may be arbitrarily defined. It becomes important when the exchange of energy between the system and the everything else outside the system is considered. Judgment on energetics of this exchange is very important. So the system we can study by using this diagram. System, thermodynamic system is a part of the universe. We are considering everything else is referred to as surroundings. So we are this system is again classified into the four types, that is isolated, adiabatic, closed system, and the open system. So these systems are explained by using this diagram. So in upcoming Google Classroom, we can study. We are studying the system very uh, system and its types also. So today we finish with this introduction of the thermodynamics. And in our upcoming classroom, we are studying the another term of the thermodynamics. Thank you.